Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to join a community on X. Why would you want to know how to join a community on X? Well, maybe it is your first time using X and not sure how to join a community on X. So today I'm going to show you how to join a community on X. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Joining a community on X is quite simple and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open X app. Here you are seeing different buttons in bottom. Click on community icon in bottom center. Search for a community by pressing search button. Open a community and then click on join. There you go. If you wanted to know how to join a community on X, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.